Hi guys, do you think like me? Right now taking care of skin, just cleansing isn't enough because at this moment around you surrounded by pollution. And if you are a woman, you have to love to do your makeup, right? Yes, that full of chemical. This is the cause of skin problems such inflammatory acne, wrinkle, dull skin, and something like that. So right now I have one more step to take care of my skin. I usually scrub my skin twice per week to detox my skin and make my skin softer and make my face look young and naturally bright. Buy this one, DermaSafe Premium Coffee Scrub. In this bag, there are collected best natural ingredients such as Arabica bean, coconut, brown sugar, Epsom salt, and cinnamon. It's best for anti-acne and anti-cellulite remover, detox and refreshing your skin because it's high of caffeine, stimulate blood circulation, make your pore tightening, and makes your skin it's firming just the first time you use it. Oh my god, it's really useful for your skin, so don't hesitate to have it. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you how Premium Coffee Scrub is working. Let's see it. Looks softer and brighter. That's one time I use it. So actually you can mix Premium Coffee Scrub with the yogurt, honey, or anything you want, or only use it. It's okay. It's easy, right? So I'm gonna tell you that it's really valuable because it can use by both women and men, both your body and your face. Trust me, you must have this if you would like to have the perfect skin, guys. Bye!